Don't you decide, baby, don't you decide. Make it alright, baby, make it alright. You're all that matters to me.
Hello. So it's the last week of my 3A term. I just finished one of my courses, so now I have only 3 more to go, which will all be done by Friday with my accounting exam, which I am not ready for at all. But after that, wow. Oh my god. Can you tell the difference of the quality? I opened it and I could see all my pores and all my pimples. Okay, but anyways, I just finished another one of my courses, so now I only have 2 left, and now I'm just gonna finish one of my essays for another one of my courses so I can be done that as well. Even though I've been like finishing a course a day, I don't feel like I'm any more free than I was last week. My eyes are so dry. Finally done my 7-page paper. Now I'm just gonna submit it. Also, 2 of my packages from AliExpress literally just came. It's nice. It's like a congratulations for submitting your essay present to myself. I honestly have like no idea what it could be because I ordered like 50 things on 11/11, so it's so cute. I don't know, I'm smelling it. It's supposed to be like actual stainless steel or something, or like gold plated. I don't even know. It was cute, so I got it. I really like it. Literally the most randomest things I get on AliExpress. is the card I'm gonna write her Christmas stuff on. It's so cute. I have no idea what it says, but it's cute.
So there's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be. Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here.
It's so nice.